January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Only once it has a flower. Now this is having flowers all the time. That flower, that plant has a flower only once in 1 year. And it has flowered now. The name of that flower is orchid.
The name of flower is orchid.
Orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D. Spelling?
O-R-C-H-I-D.
Come, I'll show you. This flower is looking so beautiful. This one. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, it's...
Yeah.
This is the orchid. Once a year only it flowers. Now all these buds will also flower. This is called orchid.
Orchid.
Okay, don't forget. What's the spelling?
O-R-C-H-I-D.
Orchid.
Orchid.
And another flower flowered some long time ago. That also flowers at the time of Christmas. Every year. Every year that flower flowers at the flowers. What is the flower? Flowers. Flowers is a verb. The flower, all the time it's a plant. Then suddenly you get a bud. And suddenly the bud opens and you call that plant has flowered.
The plant
has
flowered.
So what do I say? The orchid has flowered.
The orchid has flowered.
That's it. Another plant, I'll come and show you. This one also. This plant, come here. See how nice it is, I'll take it. It's really, you come down and take this one. Bethlehem lily. What is it called? Bethlehem lily. This flower, listen to me. This flower is called Bethlehem lily. Bethlehem. Just say the name. Learn the name first. Bethlehem lily. Bethlehem.
Lily.
Yes. This flower is called Bethlehem lily.
This flower is called Bethlehem lily.
Very nice. This this plant flowered on Christmas Day. When is Christmas Day? New Year's Day is 1st January and Christmas Day is Christmas Day. You have a holiday. What happens on Christmas Day? What happened long time ago? You forgot? Every year I tell you. Christmas Day every year is on 25th December.
Christmas Day
Every year.
is on 25th December.
That's right. It's on 25th December. What happened on Christmas Day? Long time ago. In the town of Bethlehem. Not in India. Not in India. Far away. What happened in Bethlehem? You don't know? Baby Jesus Christ was born. Like we have Janmashtami. We celebrate Janmashtami. On Janmashtami, baby Krishna was born. Okay, we consider him God. On Ram Navami, baby Ram was born. So on 25th December, who was born? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Who's Jesus Christ? They must have some knowledge of the other religions also. We bring them up only with us. So therefore, every holiday that comes, we get so many holidays. Please, without fail, whether you're celebrating it or not, tell them about that. Even if it is Eid, even if it is Muharram. You must bring up children this way if you want them to have a global understanding and not develop this very narrow view about the world. There are different religions, and if they grow up with it right from the beginning, they don't have animosity. They don't think it is that strange. You must tell them, even if you don't celebrate it. Why do we put up Christmas tree? And I have done all this. I've shown you the picture. Baby Jesus Christ was born in a stable, in a manger. There was no room in the hotel. So there were cows, and I'll show you that picture when I think all the children are there. I will do the story. Okay? The story of Christmas. You get Christmas holiday.
Yeah.
Then what is Christmas? You get Christmas holiday, na? You get Christmas holiday. Then you didn't ask, what is Christmas holiday? Why am I getting holiday? You didn't ask mommy. Then she didn't tell you. She didn't tell you. So what did she tell you? You forgot. Okay. Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. It's a beautiful story. And like Krishna was born on Janmashtami, and we celebrate, and Krishna grew up to be he's a god. Ram Navami, Ram was born. Similarly, Jesus was born on 25th December. And he grew up. There was a star shining in the sky when he was born. All the animals were so happy. Everybody was so happy. Just like when Krishna was born, all the people were so happy that this God, Jesus, baby Christ is born here. He's so beautiful. And he grew up and he was such a great man. He was such a great man. To church, they worship Jesus Christ. You should even take them to a church or a mosque.
We call Bethlehem
Bethlehem Lily.
That flower is called Bethlehem lily.
And that flower is called lily.
And that flower is called orchid.
Orchid, that's right. Bethlehem lily flowered on Christmas Day. Say
Bethlehem lily.
Bethlehem lily
Bethlehem lily flower
on.
on Christmas Day.
That's right, they flowered on Christmas Day. Very nice, because the town, the city, the place where Jesus was born is called Bethlehem. The town where Jesus is born was called Bethlehem. What is the town where you were born? Where was Ritik born? Born means he comes out of mommy's stomach.
Ritik is born.
Ritik was born
Ritik was born in Pune.
in Pune. You were born. Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem. Where was Jesus Christ born? Jesus Christ was born. You can't miss out words. Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem. Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Don't say
God.
that. Jesus.
God Jesus.
No, wait a minute. Jesus Christ. So you must say the full thing.
Jesus Christ was born on Bethlehem.
In Bethlehem. On Christmas Day, 25th December. In Bethlehem. I'm asking, where was Jesus Christ born? Where? I'm not asking when. Where was Jesus Christ born?
Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem.
Right. So this is called Bethlehem lily.